I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gaining access and making removal straightforward. First, remove any trim or rosette screws so the knob or lever can turn freely. This exposes the retaining set screw. Use the correct screwdriver and back off the set screw just enough to loosen the knob. Once the knob is removable, pull both sides apart and slide out the spindle. This reveals the cylinder and latch assembly. Make sure to keep screws organized so reassembly is quick and accurate. You now remove the internal components that hold the lock function. First, unscrew the latch plate on the door edge and pull the latch out. Do this while supporting the mechanism so springs don't drop parts. Next, locate the cylinder retaining clip or screw inside the edge pocket and remove it. Once cleared, rotate the cylinder slightly to align internal cams and pull it straight out. This step frees the core from the door, so you can compare the old unit with the replacement for correct. You finish by reversing the removal steps with care for alignment. Insert the new cylinder, making sure the cam is oriented the same way as the old one, then secure it with the retaining clip or screw. Once secured, slide the latch back into the door edge and fasten the edge plate and strike. Reinstall the knob or lever and tighten set screws. Then test the key and knob several times. If the key binds or the latch won't fully retract, loosen screws slightly and realign until smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.